students, welcome to Unacademy NEET English. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma, and in today's video I'm going to share a complete plan to cover your biology syllabus and to ensure 360 out of 360. So guys, if you are doing self-study for NEET 2025, then definitely this video is for you. I have made this video specially for those who are preparing by their own. So make sure you watch it till the end because there are amazing tips in this video and there is a proper plan that how can you complete your syllabus on time and even how can you prioritize the self-study. Okay, so see, August to May 4th. Why May 4th? Because you know that our NEET exam, the NTA conduct the NEET exam in the first week of May, the first Sunday of my month, and that is on 4th of May. So yes, you can consider that your expected exam date is 4th May. Okay, so this is what you have to consider. So from August to April, 273 days are there. Why am I considering August to April? Why not May? Because you know that on 4th you have exam. So in that 3 days you cannot start anything new. You can just revise formulas, you can just see the diagrams, you can revise examples, but you cannot start any new topic. These 3 days will be for the revision only. And from August to March 2025, you have 243 days and you have to complete 79 chapters. But students, what do you think? Do we need to complete the syllabus only? Do you think if you will just complete your syllabus, you can qualify the NEET examination? The answer is no. Why? Because the syllabus completion is important, but self-study is equally important. Question practice is equally important. You need to learn so many things for this exam. You need to learn the time management. You need to learn how to attempt the paper. You need to learn the stress management. You need to learn that how can you utilize your time effectively? How can you revise your syllabus? You have to retain the syllabus again and again. You have to retain the syllabus, and for that you have to revise again and again. Okay, so I am giving you a plan for the month from month August to January. I'm giving you a foolproof plan, and if you will follow it, definitely you will get 360 out of 360. And let me tell you, it is a realistic plan. Okay, realistic plan. If you are starting from the month of August, right, definitely you can do it. Now if you are thinking that I'm a beginner, ma'am, I'm starting from the zero, right, is this video is for me? I cannot believe that you are a beginner and you are starting from the zero. You have qualified 11th, you have qualified 12th, so it means you know something, right? Your preparation is not channelized, but that doesn't mean that you don't know anything, so you know something, and definitely this video is also for you. Okay, now August to January. Why August to January? Because yes, you need these 6 months for the syllabus completion. Definitely you need 6 months for the syllabus completion. Now some students, they must be thinking that 6 months, are they sufficient? I won't say that they are sufficient, but I won't say that they are not. I know students, they prepare for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, still they are not able to manage it. But the point is a proper strategy. If you are focused enough, I believe then that is why you are watching this video, because you really want to crack it. So if you are focused enough and you have realized that you have wasted a lot of time and now seriously you want to go for the NEET preparation, then this video is for you. Then I am not saying that in these 6 months you can get AIR 1. Right, you can get AIR 10. No, I cannot say that. I'm not saying it. Literally, I'm not saying it. But yes, for 6 months, if you will prepare nicely, if you will prepare properly, then definitely you can get good marks, very good marks, and you can take a seat in the government medical college. That is for sure. And yes, even if you will work, if you work hard, if you give your best, there are chances that you will get a very good rank as well. So it depends upon you. So I always say this thing, students, only you are the game changers. Teachers are going to teach you, they are going to motivate you, but you have to follow them. If you will follow them, then only you can change this game. So you are the game changer. You are the game changer and you have to believe in that. Okay, so yes, 6 months are sufficient enough to complete the syllabus. So 6 months means 184 days, and I believe you are watching this video in the month of July only, so still you have 3 to 4 days where you can decide what to do, what not to do. So 184 days, 32 chapters. Now when you talk about these 32 chapters, right, if I will give 5 days to each chapter, 160 days, and I'm not considering the complete, like for 24 hours you are studying biology. No, you are studying physics also, you are studying chemistry also, and you are giving time to biology. That is how, right, that is how I made this plan. So if you will give 5 days, 160 days. If you will give 6 days to each chapter, 192 days are required. But bache, when you see your syllabus, living word, this chapter, even if you are doing it for the first time, you just need a day. You just need a single day to understand it completely and to make its notes. Reproductive health, again, 1 day. Microbes and human welfare, 2 days. Biotechnology and its application, 2 days. Ecosystem, 2 days. So there are many chapters. There are many chapters where you just need 2 days or a day, and maybe you just need few hours to complete that, like living board. Okay, so that is why I'm saying, let's consider that you just have 60 chapters, right? So if you will give 6 days to each chapter, 120 days. And let's say if you are giving 3 hours daily to biology, right? 6 days, in 6 days, don't you think that you'll be able to complete the chapter? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. So that's why I'm saying that this plan is realistic. Now what to do? Download the official syllabus from NTA's website and you can check the information bulletin of NEET 2024. Now divide your syllabus in 3 parts. Yes. Take the printout of that PDF, right? That is my advice. Take the printout of that PDF and divide your syllabus in 3 parts, right? You can use different markers to do that, and you can write that chapters in your notebook as well. So in the first part, you have to put that particular chapters which you have completed once, and where you are confident enough ki yes, I know things from this chapter, right? These are my strong points, right? I can, if I will revise this chapter for 2 days, even for 3 days, I'll be able to recall everything. So that is something where I'm feeling very confident, right? So you have to put that chapters in this category. Then not done properly. Like sometimes, let's say, yeah, ma'am, I have completed the plant physiology once, but I'm not so much confident in that chapter, right? I need to restart it. Okay, I know some things from that, but I don't know it completely. So such type of chapters put in the second category. Then in the third category, the new topics. Ma'am, I don't know anything about these chapters. I don't know what is photosynthesis. I don't know what is cell division. I don't know what is molecular basis of inheritance. You can put such topics here, right? And why you need to do that? Then you will have an idea that which part of syllabus needs more attention. Right? Why are we doing this? Because it will make the things clear to us that which syllabus, like how many chapters need your more attention. So instead of giving 6 days to that chapters, you can give 8 days, right? You can give 10 days. It depends upon the demand of that chapter. Understood? It depends upon the demand of that chapter. So now out of the syllabus, please highlight the most important chapters, the most scoring one, like human physiology, plant physiology, genetics. Okay. The biotechnology, right? Where are these chapters? They are in which category? If they are these most important chapter, and if any chapter which is the most important one, if that is in this category, definitely you need to start, right? You need to start from this only, because initially we are, you know, highly energetic. We are enthusiastic when we start something. So you will have that energy. So go for that. Go for that. Go for that. If they are in this category, then again go for that. Okay, complete that most important chapters first. Let's say out of that most important chapters, you have completed some chapters and some chapters are still pending, then still start from the most important chapters. You should go for that only. Now if you have confusion that ma'am, what about class 11th and class 12th? Should we mix class 11th and class 12th, or we should complete the class 11th first, class 12th? It depends upon you. It depends upon you, right? I'll advise you that you can go for the class 11 topics first and then you can go for the class 12. But your schedule is in such a way that whatever you are studying in 11, that is helping in the 12th. I'll give you an example after some time. So this is what you have to do. Even if you want to mix, like today I'm studying biomolecule, tomorrow I'm studying molecular basis of inheritance, that's completely fine. But it should not be like that, randomly you people are studying. No, you know that how many days do we have? We have 184 days, right? And for completing each chapter, we have 160 days. So the days which are left here, that are for the self-study, that are for the revision, that are for the question practice. Are you getting my point? That are for the question practice. After 15 days, you can revise. You can give 2 days for the revision. Right? So it's not like that today I'm starting cell cycle and division, tomorrow I'm starting the human reproduction. No. You have to decide, right? You have to consider these 3 parts, and accordingly you have to make a list that now in this flow I'm going to complete the chapters. So that's a problem when you go for the self-study. Sometimes you are not clear that what should be the flow of your preparation. So that is the thing that you need to do wisely. Okay, now some do's and some don'ts. One shot, no, because you are doing self-study, right? Obviously you need help, and for that you are going to watch the lectures on YouTube. So one thing is for sure, no one shots at this point of time. Instead of that, go for the detailed lectures. You can follow Unacademy NEET English, right? We have taken the detailed lectures and the chapters which are not completed yet on Unacademy NEET English channel. I'll take the classes for that chapters too, right? I'll start the classes for that chapters too soon in the month of August. Then you can follow that series as well. One thing, modules only, that you have some coaching modules from your friends, or last year you were there in some coaching, you are using that only. Noops. What do we need to consider? NCERT. And if your teacher, right, the lectures that you need to watch, the lectures should be in such a way that they are covering NCERT, and whatever extra is required to understand NCERT, that should be covered in that lectures. Now, direct MCQ practice. Some students think that I know this chapter, I will not revise the theory, I will not go for the short notes, I will directly solve the MCQs. It's a big no. It's a big no, right? It means that you are overconfident. It means that you are still not learning from your mistakes. Okay, you are still not learning from your mistakes. So direct MCQ practice is a big no. It's a big no. So what you have to do? Attend the lectures, make your short notes, self notes as per the understanding of that lecture, revise that chapter from NCERT, include that NCERT important points after reading NCERT twice, then go for the MCQ practice once you are clear with that particular chapter. Because if you will make any mistake then, right, if you will make any mistake then, you'll be able to realize that whether it is a silly mistake or the conceptual error. So that's what you have to consider. If you think that your teachers are sharing PDF and you can follow that only, or your friends are having some notes, you can follow that, big no. You should definitely make your notes, right? That will help you to understand the topic properly. Okay. So not just classes are enough. Now, because you are doing self-study, you will think that, okay, ma'am has given us the plan for January month. I'll finish the syllabus till December. I'll complete the syllabus till December, right? I am not going to leave anything. I'll attend the classes whole day and that is how I'll complete it. No, not just classes. Self-study is crucial. Self-study is the most important thing. Every day, your schedules should be in this way that you are prioritizing all the 3 subjects together, right? All the 3 subjects together. If you are not able to manage 3 subjects together, you can go for physics biology, you can go for chemistry physics or chemistry biology, or you can divide it in this way, right? Chemistry and zoology, physics and botany. Okay, you can complete it in this way. You can divide your syllabus in this way, that today I will go for physics and botany, next day chemistry and zoology, next day physics and botany. You can do it. It's all up to you. But if you can manage all the 3 subjects together, right, you can just consider it the simply biology and you can do it. That will be better. That will be advisable from my side. So your schedule is in such a way that you get hours for the self-study. And in the self-study, what we have to do, we have to solve. We should solve some MCQs at least for 30 minutes. Even if you are solving some questions, that will be more than sufficient. 30 minutes means you have to start with that. Then you have to increase it slowly. And you can revise from your notes, right? This is what you have to do. It's not just that you're watching lecture, you're making notes and you're thinking your chapter is over. You have to retain it. You have to understand it. While making the notes, you have to make sure that after writing that notes, you are revising it, right? And you have the understanding of that chapter. That is what you have to do. And these are the things that students struggle, right, when they do the self-study. So if you have no option to join any batch, yes, you can follow us on YouTube. You can follow this channel, right? You can follow Achiever series. You can watch our last year lectures, last year batch, Conquer batch, right? You can watch it, you can go for it. Okay, but make sure you have a proper strategy to complete your syllabus. And the way I suggested, if you will go for that, trust me, you'll complete your syllabus on time, right? And after January, you have month of February, you have month of March, and you have month of April, right? So in February or March, again, it should be second or third round of revision. Okay, right? So you complete your syllabus, then I will tell you how to revise in that time. And in the month of April, what we have to do? We have to give the mock test, right? We have to give the mock test, and then we have to learn from our errors. We need to revise only. So this time should be for the revision, right? Because revision is equally important. So while completing the syllabus, you have to revise it so that you can retain. And then in the month of February, March and April, you have to revise it again and again, because we want the long-term retention. That is why. So this is what you have to understand. So guys, this is for all those who are going for the self-study. But sometimes, when we study by ourselves, we get confused, demotivated. We don't know what to follow. Sometimes we feel like that my physics is lagging. You go for physics only, you go for chemistry. So the one solution that you have is the Phoenix Pro batch. Yes, it is the one solution. It is the only solution for such problems. Why is it so? Because here in this particular batch, you are going to get amazing perks. Definitely, you will have lectures every day. You will have free Sunday for the self-study. Rarely teacher will take class on Sunday, because we know that self-study is equally important. Whatever you have completed in 1 week, you really need to revise that on Sunday. What if you have missed any class? You should watch the recording of that particular class on Sunday. That is why you are going to get 1 day free, right, for your self-study. What about test, ma'am? Right, after every 15 days you will have test. Why 15 days? Because that time is sufficient to revise that particular topic in detail. Okay, and after completion of the syllabus, you will get test after every week. That is the plan here. Now, class notes, because we teachers, we make the notes, you will get it. But as I said, with that class notes, you have to include each and everything, whatever as per your understanding, right? As per that, you have to make your own notes. Then MCQ practice in the classes. Yes, in the classes itself. Like today itself, I have a class where I'm going to ask my students to practice the question. So live doubt solving will be there, live question practice will be there, right? And students, if they are not clear with something, they can click the picture of that question, they can send in the live class, and teacher is going to solve that. The proper doubt sessions are also there. Plus on Unacademy app, there is a 24/7 doubt solving feature also, right? Now, mentorship sessions where I will not just consider your study related doubts. If there is anything else, if you're demotivated, if there is any trouble, your personal or whatever it is, it will be discussed here. And this is a very important session for your mental health. It will keep you motivated always, right? And then if you enroll yourself in this Phoenix Pro batch, you will be the part of Special Rankers Group online batch, right? That is the perk of this particular batch. And here, you'll get a better chance to revise your syllabus, to complete your syllabus. Then you will be automatically enrolled in the test series, which we are going to start later, right? And in this test series, there will be the All India Rank Predictor as well. And you will get the toppers lecture for the motivation, for the tips and tricks. So there are so many things that you are going to get in this Phoenix Pro batch. The syllabus will be completed on time, because we are starting this batch after 31st of July. Let's say you are having your classes from 1st of August. So from August to January, in the 6 months, we have to complete the syllabus, right? We have to practice the question. And this is what we are going to do. And your schedule is in such a way, it is in such a streamlined way that one topic will benefit another one. For an example, I'll teach you biomolecules, and then I will go for molecular basis of inheritance. Then I will go for biotech, because all these things are interrelated. So when you will understand the concept, when you will understand the biology, trust me, right, you are in my classes, you are not going to discriminate like 11th class, 12th class, you will learn. Right, collectively you will learn biology. So that is what we are going to do in this particular batch. So without wasting your time, be the part of this batch. Here in this batch, let's say, what can be the maximum possible duration of classes? 6 to 8 hours. Let's say that 6 to 8 hours, right? Mainly it goes for 6 hours, right? But I'm giving you 2 hours extra for your rest, for your relaxation. Then you have 2 hours for your miscellaneous activity. You're waking up, right? You're taking bath, you are eating food, 2 hours. Then 8 hours sleep is very important, right? When you start your preparation. And then 6 hours for the self-study. Means after attending classes where you will learn a topic, where you will practice a question, right? Even including the rest here, you are still getting 6 hours for the self-study, right? So that is how your schedule is designed in this Unacademy Pro batch by Team Avengers. So without wasting your time, be the part of this batch, because you will get this batch just at rupees 5,000. For in 5,000 rupees, right, you will have the access of all the batches running across Unacademy platform, plus students, the test series, the crash course, everything you are going to get in this price. So without wasting time, in the description box there is a link. Click on that link and join this batch now. Join this batch now. And there is one more perk which you will get on Unacademy platform, that is Unacademy Pro. So here you will get benefits of Plus, Iconic, both the subscription, plus here you will get online doubt solving, online test experience and online revision classes as well if you choose Unacademy Pro plan. So you have to decide, but one thing is clear, that you have to start your preparation. You just have 6 months to complete your syllabus, and if you want to do it nicely, if you actually want a good government college seat, then yes, you have to work hard without wasting your time. Your schedule that I have provided today is realistic. Here I have kept some days where you are not going to be that productive, right? Here I have considered everything. So please sit today, make a strategy, decide which chapters you are going to do first, and if you're not able to do it by yourself, you know that we are here to help you in the Unacademy Phoenix Pro batch. So be the part of that batch without wasting any time, and if there is any doubt related to anything, please do let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much.